Hello, this is One Version Studio here. Welcome to my coding game series where I solve problem-solving challenges on easy difficulty. Today, the puzzle that I'm going to solve is called Graffiti on the Fence. In this video, there's going to be two parts. The first part is me reading the puzzle so I can understand what I need to do, and the second part of this video is me solving the puzzle. Okay, let's read out the puzzle. You are paid by a farmer to paint his fence. Knowing that the task can be too difficult for yourself, you subcontracted the job to a school of students as the extracurricular activity to draw graffiti on the fence. After a whole day of work and fun, the students reported which sections of the fence have been painted. The students were working in small teams or individually, so that you got multiple separated reports from them. The fence has marking on it at every meter, count from meter 0. A painted section is reported as starting point to ending point. We take only integer readings. So the example coding game provided is basically the starting point is 1 and the ending point is 4, which means the painted length is 3. The painted sections may not be continuous, done on different parts of the fence. Some reported sections are even overlapping. The reports are not sorted in any special order. Having the reports in hand, you want to know which section of the fence have not been painted. So that is the question that coding game have asked me to do. I'm not going to use JavaScript, I'm going to use PHP. So the first line which coding game provided is basically the first line means the total length of the fence in meters. The second line means the number of reports. The for loop basically means that each line defines a reported section by format starting point to ending point. And for the output, it basically means a list of unpainted sections where one section on each line is formatted from starting point to ending point, but the starting point is sorted by in ascending order. If there's no unpainted section, I need to output a line called this all painted. Constraints: if 1 less than equal to L is less than equal to 2 billion, then 1 less than equal to N is less than equal to 100. If 0 is less than equal to starting point, which is less than ending point, then ending point is less than equal to L. Of course, you can declare and use arrays. It's just a bad approach if you wish to create an array occupying 2 GB continuous memory. There's 14 test cases for me to solve, from overlapping to all painted, continuous, 6 long fences, and 3 minor tests. Okay, now the second part of this video begins.